Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel. Today I'll tell you something about the most important, parameter on which you will decide that you are perfect in terms of lungs or not. Means your lungs are, doing fine or not, because nowadays the air is polluted, everything is polluted, air, water, and there is also noise pollution as well. And the middle age and the old age people are suffering from the respiratory diseases. So I come up with with an instrument that will tell you that whether you are fine with your lungs or not. So I'll tell you the little exercise that you must do in order to find that you are perfect in lungs or not. And there is an exercise I'll let you do now. So Kabir, please do the honor.
First, we have to take the pipe, and then we have to put it in our
in our mouth.
And then we have to take the air in.
So if you take the air in, and if you are able to take the three bowls up, just they'll stick to the upward portion of the test tubes, then your lungs are absolutely perfect, and there is no need for medication. And otherwise, if you are able to pull the two balls upside, then again you are perfect, and there is no need to take medication. But there is, if you are able to take only up one bowl up, then there is need for the medication, and your lungs are not at all perfect and they need proper medication. So this exercise will tell you about that you are perfect in lungs or not. And moreover, nowadays, due to COVID-19, everyone knows that COVID-19 attacks directly your lungs. So this is the best exercise in order to let you know that you are COVID positive or not. If you are able to take three or two bowls, at least three or two bowls upside, and they will stick to the test tubes upside, and then you are perfect and you are not COVID positive. But if you are able to take one bowl up only, and you are not able to take only not even single ball, then you are still COVID positive, and you need this checkup for COVID positive, and you need definitely medication for that. So guys, it shows that because Kabir is again and again doing this, and he is pulling it up, the three balls, and the three balls stick to the upside of the test tubes, and it means that he is perfect, and he doesn't have any respiratory problem, and there is no need for proper medication. So this is the best exercise in order to learn that you are COVID positive or not, and in order to know the better health of your lungs. Thank you. Like and subscribe. I would like to read it out for you. This is Dr. Indus Care respiratory exercise, non-sterile. The function I have already told you. So this is used by the lungs patient, or the people who do have lungs problem. So this is they have also written the instruction on this. You can read it out, and otherwise I have already told you. I will read it out for you. Sit up straight, exhale, inhale, and at the same time relax the belly muscles. Feel as though the belly is filling with air. After filling the belly, keep inhaling. Fill up the middle of your chest. Feel your chest and rib cage expand. Hold the breath in for a moment, and then begin to exhale as slowly as possible. As the air is slowly let out, relax your chest and rib cage. Begin to pull up your belly in to force out the remaining breath. Close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. Relax your face and mind. Let everything go. Practice about for 5 minutes. So there is need to read the instructions properly before doing that, because you have to continuously do it for 5 minutes at least in order to know that your lungs are better or not, like me. So this is a must purchase product nowadays, because the disease is going on, COVID-19, and still due to pollution you need to buy this, whether you are suffering from respiratory disorders or not. Thank you. Like and subscribe.